Aloma Minglava, Kutakama, collocation take a Herbal so red the Pogligu, a Kutupian Pimapi Jayang, no? Okay, so collocations are Piroma Pit the Zamulo, but mouse on skim and scandal line, Timaso in Herbal go to it, a medicine to it, medical plants rally to it, no? Era Pitoro, Sapachiro, and medicinal plants rally to it, your Dihadi, who say way a pin and down pure Harley Timmy, no? Okay, skim and scan look pito avisu, no, Saki who address, Sajangli, Sapachitame, no? A Herbal is a book of plants describing their appearance, their properties, and how they may be used for preparing ointments and medicine. The medical use of plants is blank on fragments of papyrus and clay tablets from ancient Egypt, Sumerian, and China that date back 5,000 years, but document traditions for older still, far older still. Okay. Dima Collocation is Collocation Patea Malays or Aligo, option here unico. Option Tema Miguima, Chichia, Hola Shima is she, ma only she, or Dalidia hints we no? Okay, to go, the medical use of plants go, a papyrus to clay tablet to pomare, palo tamle. Or clay tablet to papyrus to Surahati, Saudomo, no, ye Osako, ye Osas, Rodima, it's Lila she is or beta appeal, Gila Loshi, option Mujila, is here a nama, or Lilo Yara, so recorded and compared Lilo Yama, no, so Dina Kuaro, eliminate line. The nama on Surali Para, hit the Jamulu. Kaya Metlika recorded betting. So papyrus to clay tablet to Poma, Pelutong the label, no, the saber with a penny, Pelutong the laser, record Lotama. Over 700 herbal remedies were detailed in the papyrus, Herbals, and an Egyptian written text in 1500 BC. Around 65 BC, a Greek physician called Dioscorides wrote a Herbal that was blank into Latin and Arabic. So, Odibo, a Musa the Egyptian written text, a papyrus, basic one of that time, Utangaya BC, 65 BC, Yaude Kama, Greek physician Diagaro wrote a Herbal, Jangi Jidama to into Latin and Arabic. Dalia Pada Sakali, Pada Sakali, that my wasly to it, into it, or optionally with the Chechi. Hints lady, or not the Halidia, or like Shima, Shide Halia, Hints lady, was sort of to allow my lipo grammar, ayaso, in translated and created machine. Dinakuaro, Telumia, Mare, no grammar, aya tennis in Mare. Manning, no grammar structure, manning. So translated and created into no body, Latin, no Arabic to Parasakaris, translated so that he will like. Tuaro, the Herbal Jangi, Latin, Arabic, Parasakani, translated Lokima Hitai, no? Known as the Materia Medical, it becomes the most influential work on medicinal plants in both Christian and Islamic world until the late 17th century. An illustrated manuscript copy of the text, made in Constantinople, modern-day Istanbul, survives from the 6th century. The first printed Herbals date from the dawn of European printing in the 1480s. 17th century ma looked at, no? Pidaro now by Jaro. 1418 ရောက်တဲ့အခါကျတော့ဟိုစာအုပ်တွေအနေနဲ့ printed လုပ်လာပြီเนาะ okay so ရေနောက်ဆုံးတစ်ကြောင်းလေး they provided blank information for apothecaries whose job it was to make the pills and potions blank by the physician ဒီမှာ they ဆိုတာကဟို first printed herbals တွေအကြောင်းပြောတာပေါ့เนาะဟိုစာအုပ်ဒီနဲ့ထုတ်ဝင်လိုက်တဲ့ဟာတွေပေါ့နော် printed လုပ်ထားတဲ့ဟာတွေက provided လုပ်နေ blank information လို့ပြောတာဖြစ်တဲ့ကြောင့်မို့ information ဒီ noun ဆိုတော့ noun ရဲ့အရှိမ adjective လေးဖြစ်ပုံများမယ်ကြည့်လိုက်တော့အားလုံးကတော့ adjective လေးဖြစ်နေတယ်ပေါ့နော် solid valuable hypothetical potential ဆိုတော့ကျန်တဲ့စကားလုံးလေးတွေကြည့်လိုက်ရင်သူကဟို make sense မဖြစ်ဘူး solid information လို့ပါလို့ဆို make sense မဖြစ်တော့ valuable ဖြစ်မယ် valuable information အကျိုးရှိတဲ့ဟာပေါ့နော်တန်ဖိုးရှိတဲ့ အကြောင်းအရာလေးတွေပြောတယ်ဘဒုအတွက်လည်း apothecaries apothecaries ဆိုတာကဘဒုလဲဆိုတာလေးကိုဒီမှာ comma လေးနဲ့ပြန်ရှင်းပြထားတယ် whose job it was to make the pills and potion by physician တမားတော်တွေကဟိုဘယ်လိုမျိုးလေးဒီပေါ့ဒီဆေးတွေဘယ်လောက်တောက်ရမယ်ဘယ်လိုတောက်ရမယ်ဆိုတာလေးပြောတဲ့ဟာပေါ့ apothecary ဆိုတာလည်းဒါကိုပြောတာဒီနားမှာ blanks လေးရှိတယ် by လေးပါတယ်ဆိုတော့ဘာလေးထည့်မယ် physician တွေက feature လုပ်မလား consume လုပ်မလား no prescribe လုပ်မလား created လုပ်မလားဆိုရင်တော့အဖြေမှန်လေးက prescribe ပဲဖြစ်နေတယ်။ Okay confirm လုပ်ကြည့်ရအောင်။အဖြေလေးအားလုံးကမှန်ပါတယ်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်။